Generating multiple high-quality images from a single prompt is now easier than ever. This AI tool completely changes the workflow. Start by opening your browser and searching for ideogram, then open the website and set the image ratio according to your preference. If you have a specific style in mind, you can also upload a reference image to guide the AI, or simply continue with your prompt. Next, write a detailed prompt describing exactly what kind of image you want, including style, lighting, colors, and composition. Once everything is set, submit your prompt and let the AI handle the generation process automatically. Within moments, the tool generates multiple image variations from that single prompt, each with a unique look and creative approach. This gives you the flexibility to compare and choose the best result without repeating the process. Once your images are ready, simply select your favorite and download it instantly. This AI workflow makes image creation faster, more efficient, and far more creative with minimal effort.